Hello, you guys. How you guys doing? I know I don't have an excuse, but hey, y'all, I am here. I was supposed to be doing a budget plan with me for the month of May. Well, y'all, after I looked over, which I didn't end up using this for the month of April because there ended up not being enough room, and I kind of misplaced this. So, because everything is not in here, I actually have everything. Let me show you real quick. Here we go. I actually end up writing everything in here. So everything in red and green is all money I spent in the month of April. Every single day. You guys, this is quite ridiculous. So for the month of May, I am trying to cut it down. And by the way, happy Mother's Day, you guys. Today is actually Mother's Day. It is May 9th today as I'm filming this, and seeing that we're like halfway through the month already, I'm not even going to do a budget with me. I'm just going to do it off camera, and then hopefully the last week of May we'll do a budget for June. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and close this up and cry. So you guys, we're actually going to be unbagging my monthly subscription box from Oso Paper. Now, I've had this package probably over a week, y'all. After I posted it on Instagram saying that I'm happy I got it, all I did was open it. I did not open the item inside. So, I will be doing that with you guys today. I'm super excited, you guys. All right. So, I will leave a link for osopaper.com down below if you're interested in getting this monthly subscription. So, let me pull this out. Then this is the only item in there. So, this is what it is, you guys. And on the front, it says, get out of your own way. Girl, I am trying to get out of my own way. I really am. So, I'm going to go ahead and remove the plastic real quick. All right, you guys, I am super excited. Ooh, got a little dirty. I'm super excited to see what is inside of here. It looks so pretty, you guys. Oh, and I'm mad at myself because I've been holding on to this for a week. Y'all, for a week. All right, here we go. First impressions. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Start off with this right here. Looks like we got a cute pin with a little pin loop here and a little pocket. That's nice. Okay, all right. I don't have any scissors close by, do I? No. These will work. Oh, you guys, this pen is so cute. I hope it writes pretty well. But this is what the pen looks like. See all those pretty crystals? Oh, that's cute. On this part here, it says Oso Paper. That is so pretty. I'm like so curious on how this writes. So I have, my stickers here. I am going to see. Is it twist? Ooh. Okay, let's figure this pin out. It's not a twist. Oh, it is a twist. Okay, so it is a twist. All right, let's see. Ooh, it writes smoothly. It's nice. It's a nice writing pen. So I'm happy about that. Okay. Ooh, you guys, we got some pockets. I'm super excited. Oh, let's see what's in this little pocket here. So, but look at the detail, you guys. It says Oso paper. So cute. I wonder if my other little book will fit in here. It probably will. But let's look in this little pocket first. Move this to the side here. Ooh, you guys, look at that sticker. Isn't that sticker so pretty? That is a summer in the city. That is so cute. So up next, we have this very, very gorgeous magnet. By the way, I stuck my other magnet on the fridge. And here is this month's magnet. So pretty. I can't wait to put the magnet on my fridge. So pretty. Yep. And then this is a, ooh, it's another sticker. Yeah. Has another sticker, you guys. I dream of summers that last forever. Oh, that is so cute. That's a cute sticker. And this is our card for this month. Beverly Hills. So cute. And then back here tells you what's in the box this month. 10-page sticker book, sticker of the month. Which I think this is the sticker of the month. Here is the magnet. This is the postcard, and this is a mystery item. So is this the mystery item? This pen? It might be, but it's really, really cute. So there we go. And then, okay, so this is cute. You have a little pocket here, and a pocket here. I wonder if my planner, my happy planner, my classic size, will fit in here. Let's see. Probably not, you guys. No, it won't fit. It won't fit. A mini would fit in here though. Okay. This is cute. Oh. So here we go, jumping right into this sticker pack right here. It has 10 sheets. Look at these ladies. OMG. Let's go ahead and open this. Oh. Tamika. Oh, you guys, these are so pretty. Like, so pretty. Let me lay this down and bring you guys down some. All right. Aren't these girls just so beautiful, you guys? And you have 3 different sizes of the girls. That's how I'm looking right now with a fro. OMG, she looks like hot. Look at Gigi. Look at her hair and her thick thighs. Oh my goodness. Ooh, look at Miss Cynthia. Look at that. But I love her hairstyle though. So cute. That is so me. Ooh, look at almost close to my name, y'all. You got Janelle here, which that's actually my cousin's middle name. Ooh, look, you got Faye. So cute. Oh my gosh, they out. Oh my goodness, they are out on the town. Oh, I love this saying right here. Hey, brown girl. I love that. Ooh, you guys, look at these stickers. They even got like little cityscape there. Oh, look, another cityscape in washi tape. That's very, very pretty. Very pretty. Oh, look at these. These are all shiny. Hot air balloon day, Father's Day, sunglasses, Juneteenth. Yes, Juneteenth. That is a holiday, y'all. That is our holiday. Oh, look at all those. Let me know if y'all gonna be traveling this summer. Ooh, aren't those so pretty? Ooh, so got some more to go. Oh, that's the last page right there. So I'm super excited for this month's box. You guys, these stickers are so pretty, especially that magnet. And then this here. This is so cute. I wonder, I can't even find my thing right now. But I'm almost positive that the book that we got last month will fit. Will fit into here. But that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this. And then yeah, we gotta get planning for this coming week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.